Today I'm gonna show you how to fix call recording option not showing on my iPhone 17 Air. So look here, this is my iPhone 17 Air. So open your phone apps, and when I'm calling a person but not showing here, to call recording option. Okay, and provide solution. I have you just follow my all process, then you get 100% solution. Open your settings, scroll down, click on to apps, scroll down, you just find here your phone apps. Okay, or go to search option, search set to phone apps. Okay, open this, scroll down, then you get auto call recording option. Make sure to turn on your auto call recording. Okay, now I'm turn on this. Let's try, but still now I'm not get call recording option. Okay, so don't upset. So this feature work when receive this call, when receive this call, then I'm get call recording option.
This call will be recorded.
So note down, when you receive this call, then you get call recording option, otherwise not you get call recording option.